Hey everybody, today I've got a 2018 GLS 450 Mercedes-Benz on how to retract the electric parking brake so you can change the rear pads on it. This car has a push button, so you want to push the button one time, and then you very quickly you have to answer the phone and hit OK. And after about 5 seconds, this screen will appear, and you want to use the scroll down button to replace pads, press OK, move to fitting position, press OK. Can you hear them backing up? All right, and now what you can do is you can leave it like this, cut the car off, and go change the pads. And when you come back into the car, then you just do the same thing, and it'll tell you to refit the pads to the proper position. All right, everybody, so to get to this, you press the button one time, answer the phone OK very fast, and then just follow the instructions on the screen. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.